Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients before you start. Use 2 anchovy fillets, 2 cloves garlic, 1 egg yolk or a pasteurized yolk, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Measure 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons finely grated Parmesan. Add 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/8 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, plus optional 1/4 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon white wine vinegar to deepen flavor. Have a bowl. Begin by mashing the anchovies and garlic to a paste, then whisk that paste into the egg yolk, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard to create the flavor base. To emulsify, whisk vigorously while slowly streaming in the 1/2 cup olive oil, or use an immersion blender and drizzle oil in a thin thread to form a glossy, stable dressing. Finish by whisking in 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon pepper, or 1 tablespoon warm water to loosen thickness. Use the dressing right away tossed with crisp romaine, croutons, and extra Parmesan, or store it chilled in an airtight jar for up to 5 days. If the oil separates, re-emulsify by whisking vigorously or using a blender. Add 1 tablespoon warm water if the dressing is too thick to reach the right pourable consistency. For safety, use pasteurized egg yolks when possible, label the jar with the date made, and discard the dressing after 5 days to ensure freshness and reduce any food safety risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.